You don't enjoy Google Sheets, but you don't have to stay that way. Hi, I'm Andrew Camphy, and I run bettersheets.co. I'm a self-proclaimed Google Sheet wizard, a Google Sheet guy. I'm that Google Sheet person in the office. I am a Google Sheet guru. Now, enjoying or not enjoying Google Sheets, I think, is partly due to the way that Google Sheets is. Google Sheets starts here, like on this Google Sheet, looks just sparse. It's Arial font, blackest black and whitest white, very stark, contrasting spreadsheet. It's every spreadsheet we start is blank. And, at Better Sheets, I try to help you with these. I'm trying to help you make better Google Sheets. And I'm not just trying to help you find the answers and get over your roadblocks. I'm not just doing that. I'm not just answering questions about what to do in Google Sheets, but I'm actually trying to help the entire Google Sheets experience that you're experiencing, that frustration plus the dread, the existential dread. We're trying to make the journey better. And so I've created a few tools to help you. So first off, there is an extension. You can get a completely free Google Sheet add-on. Extensions, add-ons get add-ons, and it's called Sheet Styles. Open the sidebar right here. This allows you to decrease that contrast in one click. I just created a little bit of paper style and changed the font from Arial to Carla, which is one of my favorite fonts right now. And you can have a little bit darker, and you can even have a dark style if you like the kind of dark mode. In addition to that, if you're doing a lot of data analysis or data management, you have a data management style you can click that will make the rows alternate colors. And if you don't want to show this to your boss, you can scroll down here and reset to default. That's one way that Better Sheets is trying to help you actually enjoy Google Sheets. Another way is to enjoy the process, enjoy the searching for answers, enjoy the learning, because a lot of times we're Googling for answers, watching YouTube video after YouTube video right here. We're reading Google Docs help, Google Sheets help. We're literally on developer documentation or Google Sheet user documentation, and I'll show you a cool thing I made. So up here, bettersheets.co/formulas, and here you can find information on any and every single formula, and if Better Sheets videos exist for it, it will show it to you. And honestly, you can come to bettersheets.co/formulas if you wish, but you can also just go and type in /if if you want to check out the if formula, and it'll show you tutorials that exist right here. You can watch this formula in use. Now, Google Docs Help doesn't even include this. This is a better directory for all Google Sheets formulas, I think. Now, you also might want to enjoy the fruits of your labor. If you are creating Google Sheets, check out onlysheets.bettersheets.co. It's a little script that I made so that it helps you sell Google Sheets. You can add each viewer automatically as they pay, so you don't have to flip that link to anyone who has access to the link. And here you can sell Google Sheets as a service. You can sell Google Sheets in a folder if you have multiple, if you put templates together. I sell this on Gumroad as well. So check out onlysheets.bettersheets.co and enjoy the fruits of your labor. If you're making really cool calculators, workflows, planners, go ahead and sell it. I want to summarize this video by just enjoy the journey, enjoy the process, enjoy working in Google Sheets. Come over to Better Sheets and make your life in Google Sheets better, and have more confidence in Google Sheets, and enjoy the process, enjoy the search for answers, enjoy selling Google Sheets, enjoy the fruits of your labor. I have one more Google Sheet tool to share with you. Watch this video right here and find out why you should make tiny sheets.